Pedowitz job here on Saturday morning. They've been going since last night, 9 o'clock, when they built the crane. It's the big show. Some of these generators, they're about 100,000 pounds. They got to come down in pieces. The housing's got to come off. Then they got to be loaded on trucks. 2 of these are going to Pittsburgh. Others are going to Wuest. And that's because Pedowitz has storage facilities and warehouses from New York to Wilson, North Carolina to Pompano Beach, Houston, Texas, and Portland. This used to be the Bloomberg data center, and Google bought the building.
So these generators were part of the backup power system grid. Taking them down in sections. The motor assembly in there is 53,000 pounds. That was the maximum one we just brought down. Our job is to get them out of here, get them over to Jersey, Craig and his guys over there who will ship them all over the country. Manpower, trucks. It's like a Broadway show. There's so much here, there's a lot you don't see. Craig and his warehouse guys, Steve and his permitting, Brian and the manpower. There's a whole bunch of us that just coordinate all of this, all under working for Scott. And then all these guys that you see here, they're the best at what they do.
Now let me talk a little bit about what's happening sort of behind the scenes before this whole job gets started. Is last week, one of the engineers and his team has to come here and unbolt all this stuff. That way it's ready to just be picked and lifted. So this sled unbolted from this housing, and of course the equipment inside the generator itself, all unbolted, unfastened. So this thing is ready to go up.